Hey Mavericks, it's Ronda here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to request services through UTA Student Access and Resource Center. The SAR Center provides services in the form of academic accommodations to ensure the full inclusion of students with disabilities in the UTA community. Today we are going to be going through this simple process of filling out the new student application and getting those accommodations. Let's get started.
The first thing that we're going to do is look up Student Access and Resource Center at UTA, and it should be the first website that pops up. We're going to click on the link. It'll take us to the SAR Center homepage. From here, we can click on the tab labeled Requesting Services at the top bar. From this page, you can find a simple overview of the application process. And don't forget that you have to be an admitted UTA student to register with this office. And if you scroll down the page, you can find information about other services offered by the center. To begin filling out the application, we can go back to the How to Request Services section and click on the hyperlink labeled SAR Center Online Services. When you open the online application, make sure you are logged in with your student email address. As you fill out the required fields, if you are unsure of any information, you may skip it and cover it later in your intake appointment. There are two easy steps to register, the first being the fill-in application. First, the application will ask you personal information such as your name and your student ID. A little further down, it will ask for a primary disability and a secondary disability if applicable. If you keep scrolling, you'll find an area for any prior accommodations you may have received and the accommodations you are currently requesting at the SAR Center. And here, there is a section for notes where you can put any comments or concerns that you may have regarding the application. Once the fields are filled out as much as possible, you can scroll to the bottom of this page and click Submit. The next step will be to upload any supporting documents that you may have.
Once your application has been reviewed, an email will be sent to your student email address to set up an appointment with an accessibility specialist. This session will cover your personal history to ensure that proper accommodations will be provided. Once your eligibility has been approved, accommodation letters will be sent to your instructors automatically. And from here, you're good to go. Just remember the 3 easy steps for requesting services. Fill out your student application, upload any supporting documentations, and attend an appointment with your accessibility specialist. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, you can check out the Frequently Asked Questions section or find contact information on the Student Access and Resource Center webpage. And don't forget, the UTA is a community that cares about you. Catch you next time, Mavericks!